Question 11 of the JAMB 2019 Mathematics Past Question. That's your UTME CBT exam. It says make n the subject of formula if W is this. Okay, so we're to make n the subject of formula. You can see that n is both in the numerator and also the denominator. So the first thing we'll do is to first of all just cross multiply. Okay, so we have here, if we cross multiply this, we have, okay, let me just quickly write down the question. So we start afresh. You follow me closely, okay? All right, so from here we'll cross multiply. All right, so we have here W bracket what 1 minus what Cn equal to what V comma 2 plus Cn. So we open the bracket. W times this, we have a W minus what CNW, that's W times Cn equal to V times this, we have 2V plus CNV. Now we have to take the values of n to one side of the equation, so we can easily bring out n. Okay, so how do we do this? I would prefer to take this minus sign to this side. All right, so and bring 2v to this side. So we have W minus 2v is equal to CNV plus CNW. Okay, so here we can bring out n. All right, so we have W minus 2v is equal to, bringing out n, we have n bracket CV plus what CW. All right, and to make n to be on one side of the equation, what do? We divide both sides by CV plus what CW. So we have CV plus CW divided by CV plus CW, and this will cancel out, and what were we left with? We're left with what? N is equal to what? W minus what 2V divided by CV plus CW. But you can see from our options here, they brought out 1 over C, so we can easily bring out 1 over C here. So we have here N is equal to W minus 2V. Okay, this is bringing out C. Then we have V plus plus W, and which is the same as 1 over C bracket W minus 2V divided by V plus W. Okay, so this is our answer. N is equal to this. Okay, so this is our answer. N is equal to this. And what's our right option here? Our right option should be option what? We have W minus 2V over V plus W. There should be a 1 here. 1 over C. Okay, so this should be B. This should be option C. Okay, so our right option here is what? Option C. All right, which is this.